We just dropped a new AI course that teaches you how to build a full-stack AI-powered chatbot. To get started, just go to the Airbyte homepage, tap on Developers, Airbyte Hands-on Course, and then choose to build an AI bot with Airbyte. Once inside, you can check out the curriculum, all the information you're going to learn, see that we're connecting to Stripe, Supabase, and using OpenAI to eventually create the AI chatbot, and using Airbyte to power all of that through from a data pipeline. Everything is free. All you have to do is click the button to get started. We're going to use Stripe as our initial data source. You're going to use the test profile. We're going to pull our products, invoices, customers, those type of information. And don't worry, we've got you covered if you don't have data loaded already. There's a very simple Python script that you can run right from a Collab notebook. We'll use Airbyte to sync that Stripe data by creating a number of streams here. So you'll see customers, invoices, products, and the ability to search customer. Each of these return a JSON format that we can filter by a particular record path, and we'll use the API key that we'll fetch from Stripe. And we're going to take that data and put it into Supabase. In particular, we're going to use PGVector in Supabase to store our data, which means we get to create embeddings that will help with our AI. But once we get it all together, we're going to click it onto a connection. So a connection is as simple as a source and a destination and defining the sync time and the parameters, whether you want to do a full refresh or maybe a sync on an hourly or daily basis. You can see here, we're going to set up customers, invoices, products, and that search customer data that we spoke about already. Once it goes into Supabase, then we can start to do some really interesting things. And on that first sync from Airbyte, it will automatically create the tables required in Supabase for you. These are based on the streams that you configured in that Stripe connection earlier. And because we were using that PGVector destination, it automatically creates the embedding columns for you. Now, these are the embeddings that we're going to use in our AI bot and OpenAI to actually do those natural language searches and queries. With your data in Supabase, everything's connected, your embeddings are set, all that's left is to write the actual chatbot. And we're going to use Python for this, and it's in Google Colab, but all of the code in the course is going to be available in GitHub as well. Once you retrieve your information, add your keys via the secrets, all that's left is to leverage OpenAI embeddings to query, generate a response based on what your chat needs to do, and then ask the questions, and you're done. The Build an AI Bot with the Airbyte course is now available. It's free, along with other courses that we're adding all the time, including right now the Airbyte Cloud Fundamentals. There'll be an API, Apply Airbyte, and a number of other courses coming soon. So make sure you keep coming back to the Airbyte Academy.